line is PQ and through the point 3 comma 2 they are saying 3 comma 2 and perpendicular to the line. This line is perpendicular to the line. They are saying 3x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. You know perpendicular time what do we do? First we find the slope of this line. 3x plus 5 is equal to 2y divided by 2. You get 3 by 2x plus 5 by 2 is equal to y. This is the value of slope. M1 value is coming 3 by 2. Therefore perpendicular slope will come how much? Minus 2 by 3 or not? Huh? What is the special in this question? Why you could not do? I am surprised. Therefore, equation of PQ. The second part is easy. Equation of PQ will find y minus y1. y1 is 2. Slope is minus 2 by 3. X minus x1 is 3. Now we will cross multiply. 3y minus 6 is equal to minus 2x minus minus plus 6. Get everything on one side. Keep 2x plus 3y minus 6 minus 12 equal to 0. This is the equation of line PQ. Now they are asking PQ meets the x-axis at P and y-axis at Q. Write down the coordinates of P. This time I taught already. PQ line meets the x-axis at P. So what is the coordinate of P? P coordinate will be what? X comma 0 not x-axis. And Q is the point of the y-axis they are saying. The coordinate of Q will be what? 0 comma y. So in the equation we put x value, you put x and y value you put 0 and find the value. You get 2x, this is 0. Minus 12 equal to 0. What is the value coming here? 12, x value is coming 6. Therefore, the coordinate of point P becomes 6, comma 0. This one I have already taught. Next time I put this value, Q point I put now. That means x value put 0, y value given y. You get 0 plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. 12 is going that side. 3y is equal to 12. Y value is coming 4. Therefore, coordinate of the point Q is coming 0, comma 4. Done, sir. Write down the coordinates of P and Q and calculate the area of triangle OPQ. So area will come what? Area formula is what? Half into base into height. Half into base will be this 6 and height will be 4. 6 into 4. 2, 3 is what is answer? 12 units square. Finished. Finished. Tell me now which number, which other number? Which other number? Number 60. क्या कर रहे हैं? Right. Number 60. Okay. This one is okay, bro? He is asking me number 60. Okay. Question says the line segment A and B. Line segment A 2, 3, B 6, minus 5. 6, minus 5 is intersected by the x-axis at the point K. Write down the coordinate of the point K. This one is intersecting the x-axis at the point K. Point K equation point will be what? X comma 0. What is the value of ordinate then? Ordinate is how much then? Ordinate value is 0. Ordinate value is 0. Now they are asking, hence find the ratio in which K divides. I think this is the problem from the section formula. Nothing to do with the straight line. Section formula. Can't you do that? Huh? Section formula, you have to find the ratio n is to n. No, this is from the section formula. Okay, then this is done, I suppose. You can do no. This one can you do? Because y coordinate is 0, use y formula. What is the formula? Y ny2 plus ny1 by n plus n. The value y is 0. M unknown, y2 is minus 5. N as it is y1 is 3. Y this is like from the previous chapter actually. 0 into this is 0 entirely. Minus 5n plus 3n will come this side. 5n is equal to 3n. M by n is coming 3 by 5. Yes? No. 3 by 5 is the ratio. If they ask you find the coordinates of the point K, can you find the value? Because ratio no 3 is to 5. Can I find the value of x? No, x formula will apply and find. 54. 54 type we don't do right now because this time we don't know. No, this is in class level. If you want me to do, I will do it. But if you don't know. Should I do number 54? Don't do it, we don't do. This one will not come. No, which other number? Everything is okay. What about the other boys? क्या कर रहा है? बैठो ना। Okay, if you don't have, then I have. Okay, I would like to do some questions. Question number 44. If you don't have it, then I will have. Number 44. You can see the figure given here. They have given a figure here. This is given 1, 2, 3. This side is -1. You can see the figure 2, 3. This is A. This is B. This is C. They have given a line like this. You can have a look at it. Okay. This question is in the diagram form. 44. This 44 number one. Let us answer now. Find the coordinates of the points A, B, and C. You can see. This is a kind of graph type given. What is the coordinates of the point A? Coordinates of the point A will be what? X value is 1, y value is 3. So at 1, 3. Answer. Coordinate of B. What is the coordinate of B? Same we can see x value is -1, y value is 2. -1, 2. C value is 3, 0. This is x axis given, this is y axis. The C coordinate is 3, 0. So we have the first answer coming here. Second one. The slope of BC. Let us find the slope of the line BC. Slope. You know how to find the slope of BC line? Point B and point C we will see and find the slope. What is the formula of finding slope? y2 minus y1. That we will find y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 value is almost 0. y1 is 2, x2 is this minus this 3 minus plus 1, that is -2 by 4 minus 1 by 2 the slope. Now they are asking find the equation of BC. Equation of BC. How to find equation of BC? Equation of BC is the formula of the y minus y1. I will take any one of the point, either B point or point C. Any one you take and form the equation. I take this one C. 0 minus half bracket x minus x1 is 3. 2 cross 2y 2 0 0 no need to write minus x plus 3 it will come this side. The answer will be x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Yes. Any doubts? Now third part of question says there is third part also in the question. Third part of question says find the equation of the line AP which is parallel to BC. We will see that also. AP which is parallel to BC. What is the slope of BC? Parallel and slopes are equal. What is the slope of BC? We already found. Slope of BC is what? Minus half. Then the slope of AP will also be the same. Right? The slope of AP will also come same minus half. And this line is passing through which point? At least one point we must know. We know this point A. A is known to 1 comma 3. A is known 1 comma 3. So this slope at this point we will take and form equation. What is the value? Y minus y1. Y1 value is 3. Y value is 3 here. Slope value is minus half. X minus x1. x1 is 1. Now we form the equation. 2y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 1. Get everything on one side. X plus 2y minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. This is the answer. This is a solution for question number 44. Yes? Any doubts? Do you have any doubts in this? Okay. Now I am doing question number 66. Question number 66. Question number 66. Number 66. Again a diagram question. They have given a diagram here. They are saying A here, B here. This is 2 comma minus 3. This is x, this is y. Question says A and B are 2 points on the x-axis and y-axis, respectively. P 2 comma minus 3 is the midpoint of AB. This point is the midpoint. P is the midpoint of the line AB. First, they are asking to find the coordinates of A and B. I think you know the coordinates of A and B. How do we find? Midpoint is given. So I will write here x comma 0 here, and I put here that 0 comma y. Midpoint is given. No? Let us find either separately you can find or directly. I will do directly midpoint. Okay, midpoint is equal to bracket. Midpoint, how do we find? x1 plus x2 by 2, that is x plus 0 by 2, comma this plus this by 2, 0 plus y by 2, and the midpoint value given here 2 comma 3. 2 comma minus 3 is equal to this side x plus 0 is only x by 2, this is y by 2. Now we make equal. 2 is equal to this. 2 is equal to x by 2. Minus 3 is equal to y by 2. Find answer now. 2 to the 4. Minus 6. Then we know the coordinate of A. Coordinate A is coming 4 comma 0. Coordinate D is coming 0 comma minus 6. The answer. This is the first part. First part we did. Okay, now first part is from the midpoint formula. Okay, second one. Find the slope of the line AB. Can you find the slope of the line AB? Slope of AB. I think you can do now because 2 points are known. A also known, B also known. You can find the slope. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And then of course equation of AB. Now you can find any one of the point is known. You can find the equation of the line AB also. Yes. Yes. Any doubts? Okay. Now I will do another question. Question number 68. Question number 68. 68. The question is like this. They have given again a figure like this. X, this is y, this is origin, and the line is shown like this. There is a line L2. There is another line like this, given L1. Okay. Equation of line L1. The equation of line L1 is given y equal to 4. This is the equation of line L1 given y equal to 4. And they are saying L2 is the bisector of angle. L2 is bisector of this angle. Bisector, this means the total angle is 90, this means 45, here also will be 45. Bisector. They are asking, write down the coordinates of the point P. Here is the point P. How to find the coordinates of the point P? So this one, what is the meaning? Y equal to 4. That means the y, this line must be passing through y value 4. That means this part value is 4. From 0 to 4. This is 0, 4. This will also be joined like this. This is 4. This will also be 4 units. That is the value y coordinate for all these points is 4. So here the y coordinate is 4. And what about the x coordinate? Because this angle is 45 degree and bisector length, this is 45, this is 90 degrees, so this will also be 45. Because 90, 45 is 135, 180 minus 135 will also come 45. Then this one will be equal. This is 4, this will also be 4. That is x value. Yeah, isosceles triangle. Then from here till here, this is the value of x, so this value is also 4. From here till also 4. Then what is the coordinate coming? 4, 4. So this is the coordinate of point P. Coordinate of P is coming 4, 4. Okay? Yes? Now they are asking find the equation of the line L2. Can you find the equation of the line L2? This L2 is making which angle with the x-axis? Which angle? 45 degree, no? That means what is the value of m? M value will come tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So this is the slope and this is the point. We can form the equation. What is the formula of the equation? Y minus y1 4 is equal to m1 x minus x1. Now we get answer. Y minus 4 is equal to x minus 4. Minus 4 will cancel. You get y is equal to x, or y will say that side x minus y equal to 0. Yes. Yeah. Now I will give the numbers for you to try. Okay. Try sincerely. Because tomorrow is an off day, so you try sincerely and check whether you are able to do or not. If you are unable to do, then you will ask me. Okay, I will give the number 74. That is ICC 2017. I think in your book you may have some extra question also. 2018 also you might be having. 2018, 19. You will try them also. Okay. Okay. 2018, whatever the latest year we have, you try that also. 74, 73, 72, 71. 70, 69, 67, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Number 50, 50. Number 47, number 47. Number 52 also, 52 also, 52 also. Number 38, 38. Then 31. Number 31, number 25, number 25, number 23, 23 all 1, 2, 3, and number 22. Okay, these many questions you try, that means you are perfect in this chapter. Try. If you don't get any by, it is not necessary that you will get all. Make a distance when you ask me.